Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hello everyone. Hello my lovely students in grade 6. This is me, teacher Rahab Abdelmanam. Today we're gonna talk about an amazing phenomenon, which is the solar eclipse. We know, guys, that the sun emits heat and light. And this light, one of the properties of the light, it travels in a straight line. So when the light falls on an opaque object, what could happen to the light? It will form a darkened area, which is shadow. So the shadow here is the darkened area that is formed when the light falls on an opaque object. Like exactly here, look here, we have the tree. It's considered like opaque object. When the sunlight falls on this tree, the shadow of this tree will be formed. This also happens when the moon passes between the sun and earth, and all of them on one straight line. So what could happen? It will block the sunlight from reaching to the earth and cast its shadow on Earth's surface. This phenomenon is called solar eclipse. You know, guys, the earth revolves around the sun in its oval orbit, and the moon revolves around the earth in a smaller oval orbit. So when the moon passes between the earth and the sun on one straight line, what do you think will happen? Exactly, the solar eclipse phenomena. Great job! So we can define now the solar eclipse. It's an astronomical phenomenon which occurs when the earth, the moon, the sun are nearly on one straight line with the moon in the middle. Now guys, let's go in a short trip to observe the solar eclipse. So guys, you see here, observe the solar eclipse. It's seen in the morning only. And this phenomenon, it doesn't last more than 7 minutes and 40 seconds. So we said the solar eclipse phenomenon occurs when the moon passes between the sun and earth on one straight line and casting its shadow on Earth's surface. So could we have different types of solar eclipse? Actually, yes. We have 3 types of solar eclipse. It changes according to the distance between the moon and Earth's surface during revolving in its oval orbit around the Earth. We have total solar eclipse, partial solar eclipse, and annular solar eclipse. Before we're gonna start to talk about the types of solar eclipse, guys, we have to know some shadow areas of the moon. The first one, cone umbra. The umbra here, this is the dark inner shadow area in which we all observe total solar eclipse. The second area, which is penumbra. The penumbra, it is a faint outer shadow area in which partial solar eclipse appears. So let's explain each type of solar eclipse. Here, in case when the moon comes between the sun and the earth during its rotation and it becomes nearer to the earth, what will happen? It will block the sunlight totally from a part of Earth's surface that lies in umbra area, and here the size of the moon equal in the size of the sun. So here we'll observe total solar eclipse. In case when the moon comes between the sun and the earth and it's nearer to the earth in its oval orbit around the earth, what will happen? It will block the sunlight partially from another part of the earth's surface that lies in penumbra. And here we will observe partial solar eclipse, and we will see just a part of the sun. The third case, when the moon comes between the sun and earth, but here the moon is farther from the earth, in a higher orbit from the earth. So the moon will appear smaller than the sun, and it will cause annular solar eclipse to the area of earth that lies in antumbra area of the moon. Antumbra here is located behind the umbra area of the moon. And here the sun appears as a lighted ring in the sky. So today, guys, we learned that the solar eclipse is an astronomical phenomenon which occurs when the moon, the sun, the earth are nearly on one straight line with the moon in the middle. And we talked about the types of solar eclipse, which are total solar eclipse, partial solar eclipse, and annular solar eclipse. Thank you so much, grade 6. Hope you are enjoyed our session. See you later.